An insulated concrete form, ICF, basement is a modern construction method that allows builders to create strong and insulated walls very quickly. First, the foundation footing is prepared. After that, lightweight ICF foam blocks are stacked on top of the footing. These blocks connect together like Lego pieces, allowing workers to quickly build the shape of the basement walls. Next, steel rebar is placed horizontally and vertically inside the blocks to strengthen the structure. Once the wall height is complete, temporary bracing systems are installed to keep the walls straight and stable. Then, wet concrete is pumped into the hollow space inside the ICF blocks. The concrete fills the form and hardens into a solid reinforced wall, while the foam panels stay in place and act as permanent insulation. Because the forms are easy to assemble and remain as insulation, the entire basement wall system can be formed very quickly, sometimes in just a few hours, while also providing strength, energy efficiency, and durability. Bioarchitecture is a sustainable building approach that focuses on using natural, eco-friendly materials and designing structures that work in harmony with the environment. Wood is a renewable material that provides strong structural support while also storing carbon, which helps reduce environmental impact. It is lightweight, durable, and widely available in many regions. Straw, often used in the form of straw bales, acts as a natural insulation material. When placed inside walls, straw helps maintain indoor temperature by keeping buildings warm in winter and cool in summer. This reduces the need for artificial heating and cooling, saving energy. During construction, a wooden frame is first built to create the structure of the house. Finally, the walls are covered with natural plaster, such as clay or lime, to protect the straw and create a strong, breathable surface. This building method is energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective, making it an important solution for sustainable housing in the future. Imagine a house that isn't built the traditional way, but instead is printed by a machine. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future of construction, happening right now. What you're seeing here is a massive 3D printer installed directly on site, moving with precision as it follows a pre-designed digital blueprint. Without stopping, it begins shaping an entire structure from the ground up. From its nozzle, a specially formulated concrete flows out smoothly, almost like liquid being carefully placed layer by layer. Each pass adds a new level, gradually forming solid walls with incredible accuracy. The solar tunnel is an innovative system designed to capture sunlight from outside and deliver it into interior areas where light is limited or completely absent. Using advanced reflective technology, it guides sunlight through a tunnel-like structure, channeling it directly into rooms below. As the light travels through the system, it remains bright and natural, creating a soft, evenly distributed glow that transforms dark spaces into well-lit environments. This not only enhances visibility, but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping to save energy and lower electricity costs. But the impact goes beyond just efficiency. Natural light has been proven to improve mood, increase comfort, and support overall well-being. It creates a more pleasant and healthier indoor atmosphere for everyday living. With the solar tunnel, spaces that once felt closed and dim can now feel open, vibrant, and full of life. MC Inject 2133 is a specialized sealing material used in construction to stop water leaks in concrete structures. It is developed by MC Borchemi, a company known for advanced construction chemicals. This product is mainly used for crack injection in concrete walls, basements, tunnels, and underground structures where water is leaking through small gaps or cracks. The process begins by drilling small holes along the crack and installing injection packers. After that, MC Inject 2133 is pumped into the crack using an injection machine. When the material comes in contact with water, it reacts and expands to form a flexible foam. This expansion allows the resin to fill the entire crack and seal the water path, effectively stopping leaks even under pressure. Once the reaction is complete, the material creates a durable and elastic seal inside the concrete. MC Inject 2133 is widely used because it works quickly, adapts to small cracks, and provides long-lasting waterproof protection for structures exposed to groundwater. Smart Mix Argamassa Collante Immersive Multi-Uso is a versatile construction adhesive mortar. This multi-purpose adhesive is commonly used in floor and wall tile installation for materials such as ceramic, porcelain, and stone. It provides excellent adhesion, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. The process is simple. First, the powder is mixed with clean water until it forms a smooth, workable paste. This mixture is then applied to the surface using a notched trowel, which creates even ridges that help tiles stick firmly to the surface. Once the tiles are placed, the adhesive ensures strong grip and proper alignment, preventing movement or detachment over time. Because of its immersive and multi-use formula, it performs well even in areas exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and balconies. Builders prefer this adhesive because it is easy to apply, reliable, and provides long-lasting bonding strength. In modern construction, products like Smart Mix help improve installation speed while maintaining high quality and durability. Ovom's modern stairs represent a stylish and innovative approach to staircase design. These stairs are created to combine functionality with modern architecture, giving homes and buildings a sleek and elegant look. These stairs are not only visually attractive, but also strong, durable, and precisely engineered for safety and stability. In modern interior design, Ovom stairs are used to add a luxury and contemporary touch, while saving space and improving the overall aesthetic of the building. In Stage 2 of foundation slab installation, the main focus is preparing the base and installing the insulation system before pouring concrete. The prepared ground surface is leveled and compacted to create a stable base. Next, special insulation panels are installed across the entire foundation area. The insulation is carefully arranged so that it forms a continuous thermal barrier under the slab. After the insulation layer is complete, this step is essential because it ensures the foundation will be strong, energy efficient, and long-lasting for the structure built on top of it. This project shows the installation of the Elco Rock seawall revetment at Kingston Beach, completed by Geofabrics Australasia, to protect the coastline from erosion and strong ocean waves. First, the beach area is carefully prepared and levelled. A geotextile layer is placed on the ground to separate the soil from the rock structure and improve drainage. Next, large, durable bags called Elco rock containers are filled with rocks. These containers are designed to hold heavy stones securely while allowing water to flow through them. After filling, the rock containers are positioned along the shoreline in a structured pattern to form a protective sea wall. Heavy equipment, such as cranes or excavators, is used to place each unit accurately. Once installed, the Elco rock revetment acts as a strong barrier against wave energy, reducing coastal erosion and protecting nearby land and infrastructure. The garage roof lift is a construction method that allows the entire roof of a garage to be built on the ground and then lifted into place, making the process faster, safer, and more precise. First, the roof is assembled at ground level, which allows workers to work comfortably without scaffolding or ladders. All framing, trusses, and roofing materials are securely installed and double-checked for accuracy. Next, a lifting system, usually hydraulic jacks or cranes, is used to raise the entire roof structure slowly and evenly. This ensures that the weight is balanced and prevents any structural stress or damage. Once the roof reaches its final position on top of the garage walls, it is anchored and secured, connecting it firmly to the wall framing. This method reduces construction time, increases safety for workers, and ensures a perfectly aligned roof. Overall, the build and lift approach is efficient, precise, and ideal for modern garage construction, allowing complex roof structures to be installed with minimal risk. Tensar Interax GeoGrid is an advanced soil reinforcement system used in construction to strengthen weak or soft ground. It is made of high-strength polymer grids that interlock with soil particles, creating a stable structure. The GeoGrid is laid on prepared soil and sometimes covered with aggregate or fill material. In short, Tensar Interax GeoGrid reinforces soil efficiently, supports heavy loads, and enhances stability, making it a key solution in modern civil engineering projects. The Vilpi Underlay 2K Seal is a two-component liquid sealing system designed to create a waterproof and airtight barrier around roof penetrations such as pipes, vents, and chimneys. It is widely used in modern construction to ensure durable roof protection. First, the surface is cleaned and prepared to remove dust, dirt, or moisture. Proper preparation ensures maximum adhesion of the sealant to the underlay and surrounding materials. Once mixed, the material is applied carefully around the penetration using a trowel or spatula, filling gaps and forming a smooth, continuous layer. As it cures, the sealant forms a flexible, elastic membrane that adheres tightly to the roof surface. This flexibility allows it to absorb movement, thermal expansion, and structural vibrations, preventing leaks over time. The final step involves inspection and touch-ups to ensure complete coverage and a flawless seal. Once cured, the Vilpi Underlay 2K Seal provides a long-lasting, watertight solution, protecting roofs from water damage and enhancing building longevity. The Bolix block system is an advanced construction solution designed for insulating and finishing masonry walls, combining energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal. It is commonly used in residential and commercial buildings to improve thermal performance and exterior appearance. The system starts with a concrete or masonry wall, which is first cleaned and prepared. Then, a special adhesive or mortar is applied to attach insulation panels, usually made of expanded polystyrene, EPS, or mineral wool, directly to the wall surface. These panels reduce heat loss, helping buildings stay warm in winter and cool in summer. Next, a reinforcing layer with a fiberglass mesh is embedded in a base coat. This layer strengthens the wall system, prevents cracks, and ensures long-term durability. After curing, a decorative top coat is applied, giving the wall its final color, texture, and weather resistance. The Bale block system is valued for being lightweight, easy to install, and highly customizable. It also improves energy efficiency, protects against moisture and mechanical damage, and provides a modern, attractive finish. In short, the Bale block system is a complete wall solution that combines insulation, reinforcement, and decorative finishing in a single integrated system, ideal for sustainable and durable building construction. Bifusion BiBlocks is an innovative solution for recycling plastic waste into construction materials. Instead of sending plastics to landfills or oceans, Bifusion transforms them into durable building blocks called BiBlocks. The process starts with collecting and cleaning mixed plastic waste, which is then fed into the Bifusion machine. The system compresses the plastic under high pressure to form solid, uniform blocks without the need for melting or chemical additives. BiBlocks not only reduce plastic pollution, but also provide a sustainable alternative to traditional building materials, cutting down on cement and concrete use. They are fire-resistant, durable, and weather-resistant, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor projects. In short, Bifusion BiBlocks turn plastic waste into practical, eco-friendly building solutions, combining sustainability, innovation, and real-world construction applications. The PipeLife CDP400 is an under-ceiling heating and cooling system designed to provide energy-efficient and comfortable indoor climate control in residential, commercial, and public buildings. It works by circulating warm or cool water through pipes installed above suspended ceilings, distributing temperature evenly across the room. Installation begins with mounting the support grid for the suspended ceiling, ensuring proper spacing and alignment. Next, PipeLife CDP400 pipes are carefully laid out within the ceiling panels, forming a network that covers the entire area. The system is connected to a central heating or cooling source, such as a boiler, heat pump, or chiller. Once the pipes are in place, pressure testing and leak checks are performed to ensure reliability. The ceiling panels are then installed, concealing the pipe network while allowing efficient heat transfer through the panels. The system provides uniform temperature distribution, eliminates drafts, reduces dust circulation, and operates silently, making it highly suitable for offices, schools, and hospitals. Its modular design allows easy installation, maintenance, and scalability. In short, PipeLife CDP400 combines modern engineering and energy efficiency to create a comfortable indoor environment with low operating costs and high reliability.